What's up, fellas? And we're back with that. Excuse, wait. Fuck. My hands are slippery. Ah, fuck it. My hands are sleepy. I'm sorry. Mm. Okay. What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna be focusing on this amazing full chicken because I'm hungry. I thought, you know what? Let's get into this and eat this whole chicken. Yeah, damn it. This is massive. Mm. Okay, fellas. Today we're focusing on this full chicken. Yeah, we're going to eat this and see how well we can do. Yeah, this is something good I've been trying to do again. Let's see. Damn it. No, no. Mm. Okay. Mm. It tastes so good. I don't know why it's different from the first one. It's way too different. Mm. Mm. I don't know. The quality of this chicken is just so good. Yeah. Mm. Whenever you're looking at flies and chicken, look at it as if you are eating pap and chicken. Mm. 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 This part of the chicken is the most heaviest part and the part with a lot of meat. Yeah, the breast. That has my breath. The breast part. Them titties. Mm. You see, yeah, this is what makes people full. Mm. 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 All right. Oh shit. Fellas. Mm. Mm. All right. Mm. Ah, these chips are soft. Ah. Mm. Mm. Ah. All right, fellas, that's the end of that video. Yeah, obviously, I wasn't about to finish the whole chicken. Did you guys really think I was going to finish the whole chicken? Come on now. I wasn't prepared for it. Literally. Yeah, that's a surprise chicken. I got this chicken from a friend, literally gifted to me to taste it. Yeah, nothing more, nothing less. It's just a present. Yeah, yeah. For those who have watched till the end, appreciate you guys. Appreciate you for being around. Yeah, that's how it went. It was good and delicious. Oh, but fellas, stick around as we come in with more of our challenge where we start putting the timer to beat whatever time we want to beat. Yeah, we coming with that soon, 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 soon. So, fellas, stick around, subscribe, share, like, forward. Catch you guys on the next episode.